Hey, anybody know what time it is? Well, it's almost sunset views. So let's check them out. Hey, welcome inside. You're gonna love this beautiful open space that we have. We have the kitchen behind me, but check out the views. We're gonna go check out those in just a moment, but they are absolutely spectacular. As you drive in, you got the very end of the road privacy here. You got some very nice open space kitchen, which is very large, very easy maintenance, cleaning, but check out this butler's pantry. Boom. Anybody want more storage? Oh, well, wait, there's a little bit more. Boom, how about some more storage? So we got a 2-car garage right there that's completely finished in there as well. And so let's go back and check out some of the other bedrooms. As you come in here, you'll see you got this bedroom here. You got kind of some Jack and Jill features that kind of wrap around into the bathrooms. You got this large hall. Now, what you're noticing here is that we have large halls, large doorways. Everything in this house is ADA ready for someone. Here's kind of what he classifies the den. So if somebody wanted to actually take and put a wall here, we could actually have 2 rooms here. And this is another large wheelchair accessible room as well. And then we come into the primary suite, which you can see, very nice, large, open space, tons of closet space here, and also a walk-in closet there. And then as you wrap around in here to tons more storage. So you guys want that. And then all the way down to, you've got the wheel-in shower that you can wheel in with a wheelchair there as well. So this is the main primary home. Let's go out and check out the almost ready for a canning kitchen / ADU, and we're gonna cruise out and check out those views. All right, so I come out one of the side doors here behind me, and you've got this really nice stucco exterior, which is great, with stucco overhangs as well, which is going to be very important for your fire insurance. But just off of this is a really cool room that has a nice, beautiful roll-up door there. And it's got set over here for own panel, 220 power, kind of maybe you can put any kind of laundry facility here. This could be maybe the 1 bedroom. It's kind of approved for the canning kitchen, but if you wanted to come in and get this approved for an ADU, because you've got an island right here in front, you can see you've got your plumbing right back over here, and then you've got another washer and dryer hookup that is on this wall too. So this is a nice space. I think that you probably have close to 1,000 square feet here, with lots of windows of the views, that this could be a separate entrance coming around the other side of the house for the for an ADU, and then you can come out here and share this gorgeous view right here of the whole property that you can just see. So what I love about this, again, it's the end of road, and when you walk out here with me, you're gonna be able to see all of this view. And this is a giant ranch right here, so it can't be built on, but you can see the buttes that are tucked back over here on a clear day. They're straight that direction, but this is just spectacular. And the sunset views, as you can see, it's coming. You can just imagine what that is. So you've got this acreage, around 10 acres, the very end of the road privacy. You could have this nice courtyard right here where you could have your main living coming off of the ADU section as well. So if you guys would like to see this property or any others, love to share and show, and we'll talk soon. Take care.